Good morning to everyone. This is Venkatesh Kumar. Today we want to discuss about the topic name is human resources. When we are going to discuss about the topic, we need to know about that meaning. First, the meaning. We want to know about the meaning. Resources. What is the meaning of resources? In our present daily life, we are using different type of things. For example, this marker, whiteboard, blackboard, books, pencils. The childrens are using it. Like that, in our daily life, we are using many things. See, anything that can be used to satisfy. It means whatever we are using in our present days, that is that are satisfying. That are satisfying. Say, used to satisfy human need. It means whatever or whichever we are using that things are needs. See, anything that can be used to satisfy human need, that is called resource. Next, coming to the point, human resource. Basically, the resources are three types or classifications: natural resources, human resources, human made resources. You know about that human natural resources: land, water, soil, and sunlight, like that. Next, human made resources, for example, this bird, mobile phones. Nowadays we are using many people. Next, markers, and next, books. That all are the human made resources. And the third one is human resources. That is our topic. Listen, the human resources, the people are a nation's greatest resources. The people are a nation's greatest resources. That are the human resources. See how the people are a nation's greatest resources. See, natural boundary becomes significant only when people find it useful. Natural boundary becomes significant only when people find it useful. It is people with their demands. It is people with their demands and abilities that turn them into resources. See again, it is people with their demands and abilities that turn them into resources. Hence, human resources is the ultimate greatest resources. See, hence the human resources is the ultimate greatest resources. See, when people are a nation greatest resources, it means, see, healthy, educated, motivated people develop resources as per their requirements. Healthy, educated, motivated people. Let's coming to the point. Under the human resource topic, under the human resource topic, distribution of population, density of population, factors affecting distribution of population, population change, patterns of population change, population composition. See again, distribution of population, density of population, factors affecting distribution of population, population change, patterns of population change, population composition. First of all, we want to discuss about distribution of population. Distribution of population. the way which people are spread across the earth's surface is known as or is called the distribution of population. The population more than 90%, more than 90% of world population, world's population, 90% of the world population lives only 30% on earth's surface. On earth's surface. See, most of the population, I mean 90% of the world population lives on the earth's surface. How much percent? Only 30%. Only 30%. You know one thing, some areas are very crowded. Some areas are very crowded. Some areas are less people are living on the surface of the earth. See, a very few people are living on the earth surface, mainly high altitude areas, low lying areas. But most of the people are living plain areas. You know. Say 60% of the world population lives in just 10 countries. 60% world population lives a very high in just 10 countries. Say in the North America, USA, South America, Brazil, Africa, Nigeria, in Asian continent, Russian Federation, China, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Japan, as well as Indonesia. These are the 10 countries. So today we discussed in our topic, what are they? Resource meaning, human resource meaning, next distribution of population, distribution of population. Tomorrow we will go to discuss about another subtopic under the human resource lesson. So now I want to give one small task to you, that is, first one, what is resource? What is resource? Resource